welcome back to the series of Mathematics, Intermediate Mathematics 1A. In that, I am going to discuss with you in the series of lectures which we were doing for the chapter Trigonometric Ratios up to Transformations. In that, the continuation part, I am going to discuss with you 6F exercise. Okay, right. This exercise we have started 2 videos previous. So those who have not watched those videos, just click on the iCard. And the previous videos of 6A, 6B, 6C and 6E exercises, you can watch it in the channel playlist of my channel. Okay, in that you will find the intermediate maths classes. There you can find all the video lessons, the 32 altogether 32 video lessons are there. So just click on those video lessons to get it notified. Now we will start quickly without any delay. Fifth one, in a triangle. So till fourth one I have dealt in the previous one. So the continuation is the fifth one. In a triangle ABC, prove that cos A by 2 plus cos B by 2 cos C by 2 is equal to 4 cos pi minus A by 4 pi minus B by 4 pi minus C by 4. So if you see the LHS and the RHS part, let us start here with the RHS part. Okay, here if you are starting with the RHS, so mention here RHS. Right, now this 4 I'll split it as 2 and 2. Okay, so 2 cos pi minus A by 4 cos pi minus B by 4 and 2 cos pi minus C by 4. Right, just splitting 4 into 2 and 2. Right, now if you are seeing this is the product transformation. Let us transform it into the transformations formulas which we know. So this is a product, right? We will transform it into the addition one. So 2 cos and cos. So we will get cos A plus B, where this is A, this is B, A plus B. So pi minus A plus pi minus B by 4 and cos A minus B. So A, this is A, minus pi plus, minus into minus plus pi plus B. Okay, so A minus B, yeah, that is 4, isn't it? There is 4, not 2, not 2, this is 4, right? Just cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, and we have here 2 cos pi minus C by 4, right? Now here we will see what goes of here, 2 pi, isn't it? So cos of 2 pi by 4, that means just pi by 2. And if I take a minus common, A plus B by 4, right? So A plus B by 4. Plus, here pi and pi goes of cos of minus A plus B. If you are taking minus common, here, A plus B it will become, okay? A minus B it becomes. So if you are taking minus common, cos of minus theta is cos theta only. So let us remove the minus here. So this becomes A minus B by 4. So minus comes out. So cos of minus theta is just cos theta. So minus we can eliminate here. So 2 cos pi minus C by 4. Here. Now if you are seeing this, cos 90 minus pi by 2 is 90. 90 minus something is sine of this. Sine of A plus B by 4. Okay. Plus cos of A minus B by 4. And we do have 2 cos pi minus C by 4. Now, we will multiply this. So this becomes 2 cos pi minus C by 4 sine A plus B by 4, and again this also will multiply 2 cos pi minus C by 4 cos A minus B by 4 here. So this again they are products. So these are the transformations formula which we will shift it into the transformation formula of the addition. So 2 cos and sine. Cos A, sin B, likewise 2 cos A, sin B. When cos comes first, then that will be sin of A plus B and sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B, where A is this, B is this, sin of A plus B. So pi minus C plus A plus B, just 4, minus, for minus formula only, we get cos first, right? So sin of A minus B we are taking. So this is a plus b, this is a minus b. Similarly, we will transform this using the formula. When both are cos, we get cos only. So cos of a plus b, so pi minus c plus a minus b. This is cos a plus c, a plus b plus cos a minus b. This minus this, so pi minus c minus a plus b. Minus into minus plus b, right? So here if you are seeing, we will write them here as, we can write pi by 2. Yes, okay. Till here, pause the video and note it down. I'll continue after erasing it. Okay, please copy down. Now here the continuation of this. So I've kept it for my reference here. See here, this becomes sine of pi minus c is there, and this a plus b I can write it as again pi minus c. So pi minus c by 4 here, and this becomes minus sine of, here pi, we will write the value of pi here, that is a plus b plus c minus minus c minus a minus b, all goes off. This becomes, see here, pi minus, if you, this is again pi, pi minus pi 0, sine of 0 is 0. This complete thing becomes 0 here, plus cos of, and here again we'll write the pi value as a plus b plus c minus c plus a minus b by 4. Again we have here cos of pi, again a plus b plus c, we have minus c minus a and plus b by 4. So we can cancel off c minus c plus c minus a plus a and minus b, all these. So this becomes completely 0. So if you are writing this, so 2 pi by c, pi minus c by 2, so that becomes sine of just pi minus c by 2 here, and this becomes 0, and this cos of 2a by 4, that is a by 2 here, and cos of 2b by 4, that is b by 2. Now this is sine pi by 2 minus c by 2. So sine 90 minus c is cos c. Okay, cos c plus cos a, cos c by 2. Okay, cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2. So this is the RHS part, right? So this is the LHS part. We have started with RHS, we are getting the LHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Pause it and note it down. Now the third problem, in the fifth bit we have 1, 2, 3 problems. The second problem I had given for you to practice. Okay, the first problem I am telling and the third problem. So the second one, please do practice for yourself. Okay, here doing all the problems I'll be getting, but you have to practice it, isn't it? So please do it. Now here solution. First, as we have started with RHS, the similar way we are starting with the RHS part here. Here, minus 1, the same way, we'll split this to 4, again, 2 cos pi minus a by 4 cos pi minus b by 4, right, 2 cos pi minus c by 4. Now here we have minus 1 plus, so 2 cos and cos we have, isn't it? So cos and cos, we get cos of a plus b, that is pi minus a plus pi. So a plus b, this is 4, isn't it? A plus b plus cos of pi minus a plus pi minus b minus pi plus b, okay, by 4. And we have 2 cos pi minus c by 4. Here again minus 1 plus, see here, 2 pi by 4, that is just pi by 2 minus a plus b by 4. So a plus b by 4. Right, 2 pi by 4, that is pi by 2 minus taking common a plus b by 4. So cos of this plus, again pi goes off, cos of minus if you are taking a minus b. So cos of minus theta is cos theta. So we can remove the minus here. So this becomes a minus b by 4 only, simply. So we have taken minus out. So 2 cos pi minus c by 4. Okay, now this becomes minus 1 plus cos of 90 minus means that becomes sine. So sine A plus B. Here we have here multiplication. For this we are multiplying. Okay, so sine A by, so A plus B by 4, right? So cos of 90, so sine A plus B by plus cos A minus B by 4 we have multiplied by 2 cos pi minus c by 4. We will open the bracket now, minus 1 plus 2 cos pi minus c by 4 sine A plus B by 4 plus again 2 cos pi minus c by 4 cos A minus B by 4. Right here. Now if you are seeing this, we can write A plus B as pi minus c again here. So pi minus c by 4. So sine pi minus c by 4. So pi by, also we can write it here like minus 1 plus pi by 4. Pi by 4 we can write, I can write it as 2 cos. Here we can write this pi minus. Here the question itself here is sine. So please make this correction here. So this the question here there is sine. In a flow of cos and cos I had written cos, but this is sine. So we are taking this sine outside. 2 sine outside. Okay. So this is when you are multiplying, this is 2 sine. Here also when you are multiplying, this is 2 sine. Right. So small mistake everywhere we have to change. Now here if you are seeing sine and sine, 2 sine and 2 sine. So this A plus B I can write it as pi minus c again. So 2 pi minus c sine, 2 sine pi minus c, that becomes 2 sine square. Sine square pi minus c by 4. Right. Plus here 2 sine A cos B. We can split this into the transformation formula, that is sine of A plus B. So pi minus c plus A. So this is A plus B plus sine of pi minus c minus A plus B. So minus of this, so minus A plus B by 4. So sine A plus B, sine A minus B. The transformation formula here. So this becomes minus 1, 2 sine square pi minus c by 4 plus here just open it up. I'm writing the pi value as A plus B plus C. So minus C plus C goes off, minus B plus B goes off. Similar way we'll write it here. Pi value A plus B plus C minus A plus B. So AC goes off, just B is remain. So if you're writing here minus 1 plus 2 sine square pi minus c by 4 plus sine of 2a by 4, so sine A by 2 plus sine B by 2. Right. So if you are seeing this, I'll take minus out. So I'll write it here. Let me write it here. So if you are taking minus common here outside, this becomes 1 minus 2 sine square pi minus c by 4. Okay. These will be as it is, sine A by 2 plus sine B by 2. Okay. So this is the formula of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta in the form of sine. So 1 minus 2 sine square. So this is plus, so I have taken minus. So this is cos 2 theta, where theta is this. Okay. So we can write this as cos of pi minus c by 2. 2 theta. So 2 into, I am multiplying 2, 2 goes off. 2 and 2 here. Okay. So this becomes cos theta plus sine of A by 2 plus sine of B by 2. Again here cos pi by 2 minus c by 2. So cos pi by 2 is sine. Okay. So 90 minus, so in the first quadrant only, this becomes sine of c by 2. So this is what the LHS part. So this is what LHS part. So here LHS we have minus here, and this minus here I have to write this minus also. So this is the LHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. There is minus for C by 2. So this minus, okay. So LHS is equal to RHS. We have started with RHS. We got the LHS. Please pause it and note one. Here, see here, A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2. In all the problems we had, they are the angles of a triangle. So they are the angles of a triangle mean we have taken A plus B plus C is pi. But here clearly given A plus B plus C is 90 degrees. Okay, that this is important here. Prove that cos 2A, cos 2B, cos 2C is equal to 1 plus 4 sin A, sin B and sin C. See here, we will take the LHS here. We'll start with the LHS. Cos 2A, cos 2B and cos 2C. So these two transformations formula we will use. Cos A and cos B. So the transformation formula, it will become 2 cos A plus B by 2. So 2A plus 2B by 2 and cos A minus B by 2. So 2A minus 2B by 2. Okay, A plus B by 2, A minus B by 2. Again we have cos 2C. This cos 2C in terms of sign we'll write 1 minus 2 sin square C. Here 2C, so C only we have. That is the submultiple angles formula. So here this becomes 2 cos, 2 goes off, so A plus B and cos A minus B can cancel off 2 plus 1 minus 2 sin square C. Now cos A plus B, here this 1 we will write it here above, 1 plus 2 cos A plus B. A plus B, I can write it as pi by 2 minus C here. Okay. So let me write that first. So this becomes pi by 2 minus C and cos A minus B here minus 2 sin square C. Here 1 plus cos pi by 2, that is sin C. So this becomes 2 sin C cos A minus B minus 2 sin square C. We can take sin C common. 2 sin C we will take common. So that becomes cos of A minus B minus 2 sin C taken common. So just sin C is there. So again we can write sin C. C as pi by 2 minus A plus B by 2 likewise. So that is 1 plus 2 sin C. You can write it as cos A minus B minus here sin C value. So this becomes pi by 2 minus A plus B. Right. 1 plus 2 sin C. So cos A minus B minus sin pi by 2 is cos. So minus cos A plus B. So 1 plus 2 sin C. Here this is cos of A minus B, cos of A plus B. This is the fourth formula that is in the transformations. This is nothing but 2 sin A sin B. Okay. So if you are keeping minus here, this will be transformed here in that formula, the fourth formula in the transformations problems. Okay. So if these are interchanged, we get here minus. Okay. So here there minus B is here, A minus B is here, A plus B is here. So we don't have minus in the formula here. So 1 plus 4 sin A, if you open the bracket, sin B, sin C. So this is what the RHS, right. So LHS is equal to RHS, and please clearly note this. With this, we'll end the session today. We will continue the remaining problems in our next session. Thank you all.